Florida is doing some interesting ass things. I need to get air in my tires because they are low for some reason. Let me do that first and then we'll talk. Damn, lights. 230. Florida passed a new law titled the Super Speedster Law or Super Speeder Law, whichever it is. It is designed to stop speeding, basically. Exactly what it sounds like. It's designed to stop excessive speeding, basically by automatic jail time. And that went into effect on July 1st, 2025. So if you are from Florida, or if you're visiting Florida, if you have fast cars, or even if you don't have fast cars, you can still go well over the speed limit in any car that you have. So this knowledge benefits everybody, I think. What this entails, it's dangerous excessive speeding. All right, so there's basically like super harsh fines on the highway. Speed limit's usually 65, 70. Everybody goes 80 or 90. Let's be honest. That's just how it goes. There's police officers that also go 80, 90 miles an hour on the interstate or whatever. But that's besides the point. It's supposed to be 50 miles per hour over in any speed limit zone or any speed zone, or over 100 miles per hour. That is defined as excessive speeding. Now me, I do not speed. I do not speed, okay? I never do. The penalties are up to $1,000, jail time up to 90 days, and if you repeat offenses, or if you repeat doing the excessive speed and you get caught, then you get your license revoked. Can you get that back? I have no idea. I don't know how that works, but wild, absolutely wild. So your first offense is usually, I think what they're saying is around a $500 fine and up to 30 days in jail, or both. So I guess it depends on the cop. You might get lucky. Maybe they're having like a good day and they don't want to arrest you. You know, maybe luck will be on your side. You just get a $500 ticket or whatever. If you get caught twice, you will be in jail for up to 90 days, and you will have a fine of $1,000 or both. How does that get put into place? Probably depends on the cop. Not a clue. If you get caught within 5 years of doing it again after the first or second time, you will probably get your license revoked. And you will probably get arrested again and face more fines, which is crazy. But obviously this is for everybody. Florida has a nasty speeding problem. Everybody drives so fast. It's insane. Look, he's hitting his brakes. He's going maybe 75, hitting the brakes. There's a cop right there. And I'm going 65 and a 70. So people drive fast. It's wild. People drive too fast. There's so many accidents here, like deadly accidents. Motorcycles, SUVs, trucks. It doesn't matter what safety rating your car has. You can die. Like, you can legit just die. It's just, speed is just an insane factor for these collisions. So, you know, I understand why they're doing this. Is it excessive? I don't think so. I think they're doing it for a reason. There's a lot of accident-related deaths in Florida. I don't know if laws like this are similar in other states or not. I live in Florida, so I am familiar with Florida laws. But yeah, this is new. So there's people that are actively getting arrested right now. There was actually a guy. This was on the news. There was a guy on July 1st, midnight, July 1st, the same day the law was put into place. He was arrested for excessive speeding. I think he was going like 100 and like 105 or something like that. He got arrested. He got arrested like 5 minutes after the law was put into place, technically. Which, honestly, that's some bad luck. I'm not gonna lie. That's some bad luck right there. But you gotta pay attention to this kind of stuff. I think it's a good thing. I typically don't speed too often, so I don't think I'll have an issue. But my car is not, you know, 800 something horsepower. You know, mine's like maybe 400 horsepower roughly. So I'm not really, you know, I'm not really gonna be flying down the highway at like 160 miles an hour. I could get up there, but it would take a little bit of time, a little too much time, if you ask me. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about this. Like this, I don't know. I think it's a safety thing, so I get it. Just don't get caught, I guess. Be safe, drive safe. Don't weave in and out of traffic at, you know, 105 miles an hour, and you'll probably be okay. There's people that I know, they, you know, they do little road races in Mexico, and they drive pretty fast, but that's always at like 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. Of course, it's a danger to them and to their surroundings, and, you know, some people that may be on the road. I get that, but just gotta be careful out there, man. That's all. But that's the law, basically. I mean, it's put into place. People are getting arrested. People are getting fined. People are not happy about it. People are really not happy about it. But I mean, just don't speed. You'll be okay. Easy peasy.